Hello, in this video I will show you how to add bread on MetaMask. Now it's a very easy process. All you have to do is open your browser, then go to your MetaMask. After that, make sure that you have switched to Ethereum network. As you can see, I'm not currently on Ethereum network. Make sure that you choose Ethereum mainnet right over here. Now, click on swap. Then you should have some amount of Ethereum over here in order to swap. So this will keep that in mind. Now, just simply type in bread and then choose this token right over here. Now just simply wait for a few seconds, and over here just simply also enter your amount that you would like. And within a few seconds, you will be able to see how much you will be getting right over here. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see what is the fees that you have to pay for it as well. So now after that, all you have to do is just simply click on swap and complete the transaction. After that, you're all good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.